My name's Janine Witters-Lockwood. I am an N1 girl from Armidale, New South Wales, and I'm from Mirri Productions, and we run the program called Indeka for Aboriginal and non-Indigenous students.
My name's Solomon. I am a proud Gamilaroi man from Tamworth. I love teaching students about my culture. Today we deliver the Indeka program.
Indeka is a word from the N1 country that means to laugh, and the purpose of this word incorporates what our program is about. It's fun, it's engaging. So today we are at Central Coast Sports College. Some of the cultural activities that we did today were some puzzles and some cultural activities that Aboriginal people do in their communities.
We taught them how to make fire and how to throw spears. When they were throwing the spears, I reckon they need to learn some more practice, even though that they had fun.
For him.
Bailey's probably got fast Bailey. You got that?
Jump on it, Bailey.
Hug. Thank you very much. Thanks for having us.